What's up, guys? It's your boy Mills with a review on the Puma Cross Sankuanz, which is another RSX in their collabo line. We've had the Hot Wheels Puma RSX collab, which is right here, which is personally one of my favorites. And we've also had the original RSX toy, which started it all. And these personally are my favorite sneakers. So let's take a look at these Sankuanz. So first, you just look at the box. You've got the Sankuanz style camouflage running around it, all on this side, just around the sides there. It's not that interesting, but some people care about that stuff. You got Sankuanz and Puma branding on the side and on the top. Let's open it up. Got more Sankuanz branding here with Puma again. I really like the way that looks. And if you guys haven't seen these shoes before, you're in for a treat, man. And here we go. I'll get that out the way. Ooh. Now tell me that ain't fresh, man. All right. Let me get the other shoe out the box and we'll get into the review. All right, guys. Now we got both sneakers out the box. Let's take a closer look at this sneaker. So Sankuanz, I'll be honest, was a brand that I'm not too familiar with prior to this collaboration. After a little research, found out that it's a Chinese streetwear brand, which is actually designed by a guy called Sankuanz. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Apologies if that's wrong. So Sankuanz actually started in China in 2007. If I'm not mistaken, which I'm not. It draws influence from, well, the brand Sankuanz draws influence from Tibetan religious symbols, animals, Chinese symbols. Prime examples, the symbol for hell, I believe, was on some of their clothes. And they're just a really cool brand, actually. Checked out their fall preview line, and I'll be honest with you, yeah. I mean, look, they know what they're doing. So back to the sneaker itself. So got a standard RSX silhouette with a couple of differences here. So let's get the original RSX out and we can have a little side-by-side comparison with them. So first thing you'll notice is the branding on the tongue is different. So there's no RSX on that tongue loop. Right there, you've just got the lime green Puma. Doesn't say running system on there anymore. Obviously, these are factory laced, and I haven't changed them. You don't have the running system branding on the back because I guess the Sankuanz is supposed to be more of a lifestyle sneaker at this point. As we take a closer look at them side by side, I mean, look, they're very similar, but for me, that there are some subtle differences with the silhouette on these sneakers. I don't know if it's just me being in love with these shoes, but obviously the Sankuanz is way cleaner in the design. Maybe that's due to the lack of the like striations of the Puma design on the Puma logo on this one, and obviously the colors are really bold on the original RSX toy. But obviously the major difference is you've got this removable Sankuanz tag here. Be honest with you, in the promo images that I saw before I brought this, and this is removable, by the way, so let's get you a close-up, guys. There we go. This tag was actually supposed to be bigger. It was actually more reminiscent of, like the tags in the stores, the electronic tags, where if you shoplift, I don't know if that's what any of y'all do, but if you do, those big old tags. It's a little smaller than I expected. I liked it bigger in the pictures. As you can see, obviously there's no Puma logo across here. You've got the Sankuanz branding there, Sankuanz branding inside there, and again that awesome camel print. There is actually a couple of Sankuanz overcoats and bomber jackets and all kind of stuff that have that pattern on it. So if you do like that camel pattern, you can go pick them up. I actually got these from a store in the UK called Size. They retail for around 130 pounds. I believe it's around $110 in the US currently. And this shoe is just, to me, it's just an amazing shoe. I mean, judging the comparison between the RSX Toy here, you see the eyelet, the slope here seems a little less pronounced, which I actually like. It's like a lower profile version of the RSX. And the more muted colors are on this one, even though, I know I say muted, you got lime green and purple, but it does seem like a more muted shoe in terms of the colorway, which, I mean, if I was to choose, I'd probably go for this shoe every single time. So let's get into what this is actually made of. So you've got your mesh upper. So all this is mesh here, all these parts. And as a lover of the RSX line of sneakers, I'll be honest with you, they're potentially the most comfortable shoe you can buy, and that's more down to how light and soft this midsole is. And I believe it's an IMEVA or MAVA. I don't know how you if you want to say that out as one word, or it's an abbreviation, but it's more comfortable than the Vapor Max. I know a lot of people love Vapor Max, and it's probably gonna kill me in the comments for saying that, but I'm just being honest. For me, the RSOs and the RSXs are the most comfortable sneaker on the market. There's no other way to say it. You've got regular lace closure at the top here. I mean, I wouldn't go as far as putting them up there like you have on the Hot Toys. Sorry, the Hot Wheels, not Hot Toys. The Hot Wheels collaboration. I do love this chunky black sole and then the clear. Sorry guys, it's a little dirty. I do actually wear my shoes, so I love these. Where was I? Lost my train of thought. So you've got the co-branded tongue loop label here. Co-branded tongue. In fact, it's not co-branded. So it actually states that it's co-branded, but it's not. It's just the green Puma. But in the promo images, again, I did see that it had Sankuanz written somewhere along here, but it's not there now. But oh well, stuff changes. The detachable snap button TPU hang tag there, and the Sankuanz tag, just Sankuanz across this mid part here. This part's actually suede. Didn't notice that before. It's beautiful. I mean, it just feels amazing. So is this part. So this part suede, here suede. You've got that soft midsole here, and you got like a gum grip. They're very grippy sneakers as well. You're not going to slip around on anything while wearing these guys. I mean, they're pretty solid. So let's now take a look at the 3 RSXs that I own side by side, and let me know what you guys think of these. A lot of people don't like these shoes, but me personally, I just think they're just the best. I mean, these I'd say are my favorite. But now that I got these Sankuanz collabos, they're probably my favorite. In fact, there's one thing I haven't spoken about, which is the little loop on the back of all of these. So let me get these in order. I'm a size 12, guys, so it takes up a lot of room. Like this, I don't know what it's for. I think it looks cool. It might be to actually help pull the heel part up, but I don't know why you'd need it. But overall, I would say this shoe is possibly my favorite shoe of the year so far. And I recently picked up the Jordan Infrared 6s on that secret Nike drop. I did record something for that, but it's not good quality, so I'm not going to put that up. But so while we've got both shoes out, let's just see what else this comes with. So you actually get these awesome lime green Sankuanz branded laces, which I'm going to be honest, are dope. Let me just pull these off and give y'all a closer look. Oh man, I don't think you know how bright these are. Yeah, these are cool, man. Now, these, to be honest with you, they make the collab better. I mean, for people that know what Sankuanz is, you'll immediately pick that up and be like, okay. I know what he's wearing. But for those that don't know, get to. Because I'll be honest with you, this whole Sankuanz stuff is brand new to me, and I'm a little disappointed that I didn't know about it, because everything that I've seen online in terms of Sankuanz clothing, footwear, anything like that, it's just super cool. So I'm gonna probably relace. In fact, I think I'm only gonna relace one of the shoes with these. I think it will be overkill with too much lime green. That's me personally. But let me know what you think. Let me know what I should do. If I should put the lime green laces in both of them or just one of them. Oh, you got the option to put the tag on the other side. I didn't even notice that. But you only got one tag. Don't see the point. Cool. All right, man. Thanks for watching.